Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm building a computer for a friend. Now, this is not the first time I've built a computer, but it's the first time I've built one for someone else that wasn't myself. Alright, so this computer is rocking a RTX 2060 and a Ryzen 7 3700X. It has a M.2 SSD, capable of writing 1500 megabits per second read and write. But yeah, all together this build cost about $1,000 flat, not including the price of Windows. With Windows it cost $1,100, but just the parts itself cost $1,000 flat. All right, hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, that was the condensed version of the build process. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye.